Hello, my little friends. Welcome back to the Talking Potly. Today's story is about a proud tiger, a wise golden bird, and how kindness can be more powerful than strength. Are you ready? Let's open our Talking Potly. In a lush green jungle, there lived a strong and proud tiger named Sheru. He roamed the forest with confidence and believed no one was wiser or stronger than him. One morning, Sheru roared so loudly that the whole jungle echoed. Birds flew away, monkeys hid, and the deer trembled. Sheru laughed, feeling powerful. But soon, a small golden bird flew down from the trees and landed near Sheru. She shimmered like the sun and sang softly. O mighty tiger, strength is good, but wisdom shines brighter. Sheru laughed and said, Little bird, what do you know of power? I could crush you with one paw. The golden bird smiled and said, Let's see who is truly powerful. Follow me to the big river at sunrise tomorrow. The next morning, Sheru arrived by the wide river. Mist floated over the water. The golden bird perched on a stone nearby and said, Strength is tested not by fear, but by wisdom. As Sheru moved closer, he saw a piece of meat floating on a leaf in the water. He jumped forward to grab it. Splash! He fell straight into a hunter's hidden net. The hunters came running with a big stick, laughing. Finally, we caught the mighty tiger, they shouted. Sheru roared in fear and tried to break free but couldn't. The golden bird quickly flew to the hunters and said, Dear hunters, if you free this tiger, I will bring you golden feathers every day. The hunters paused, surprised by the talking bird. The hunters, tempted by the thought of gold, agreed and cut the net. Heru jumped free. But instead of running away, he bowed to the golden bird and said, You saved my life. The golden bird said, Remember, strength alone cannot save you. Kindness and wisdom are greater powers. Sheru nodded, humbled at last. From that day, Sheru became the protector of the jungle. He helped small animals cross rivers and shared food during drought. He had learned that real strength comes from helping others. And that's how Sheru learned that wisdom shines brighter than power. He realized that true strength doesn't come from claws or muscles. It comes from a kind heart, from helping others, and from using your mind to make the right choices. Children, in your own life, you might face moments when you feel angry, scared, or unsure of what to do. When that happens, remember Sheru and the golden bird. Remember, being brave doesn't mean being loud or strong. It means being kind, patient, and thoughtful. That's what makes you truly powerful. If you ever feel confused, ask your parents, teachers, or friends for help. They will guide you with love and wisdom, just like the golden bird guided Sheru. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Talking Potly for more magical Panchatantra stories every week. See you soon, my little friends.